Today I'm going to show you how to work in Garter Rib Stitch. This stitch is used in our Rosebud Blanket pattern in collaboration with Debrosse. In this video I'm going to be using a pair of 15mm knitting needles and a ball of crazy sexy wool in Ivory White. Okay, let's get started. For this stitch you need to cast on an even number of stitches. I've cast on 20 stitches. The first 2 rows are knit rows, so I'm going to knit every stitch on my needle. So that's one knit row complete. Now I'm going to turn my knitting around and knit my second row. So once you've completed your first 2 knit rows, you're going to work 2 rows in rib stitch. So first, you knit 1 stitch, and then you bring the yarn to the front between your needles, and you purl the second stitch. And then we're going to repeat those 2 stitches to the end of the row. So that's 1 knit stitch and 1 purl stitch. The fourth and final row is also worked in 1x1 rib stitch, so again we're going to knit the first stitch, then purl the second stitch, and then repeat those 2 stitches to the end of the row. So these 4 rows make Garter Rib Stitch. To continue working in Garter Rib Stitch, simply repeat those 4 rows again. So that's 2 knit rows and then 2 rib rows. So I've worked a couple more repeats of those 4 rows and you can start to see the Garter Rib Stitch taking shape. Thanks for watching.